Today, we will talk about Keltner Channels, a volatility-based indicator used to determine trend direction. Keltner channels are volatility-based bands placed on either side of an asset's price to help determine the trend's direction. The Keltner channel uses the average true range or volatility, with breaks above or below the top and bottom barriers signaling a continuation. The Keltner channel was first introduced by Chester Keltner in the 1960s. The original formula used simple moving averages and the high-low price range to calculate the bands. In the 1980s, a new formula was introduced that used average true range, ATR, which is commonly used today. The Keltner channel is a volatility-based technical indicator composed of three separate lines. The middle line is an exponential moving average, EMA, of the price. Additional lines are placed above and below the EMA, and the bands expand and contract as volatility, measured by ATR, expands and contracts. Keltner channels have multiple uses, and how they are used largely depends on the settings a trader uses. A longer EMA will mean more lag in the indicator, so the channels won't respond as quickly to price changes. A shorter EMA will mean the bands react quickly to price changes but will make it harder to identify the true trend direction. A bigger multiplier of the ATR to create the bands will mean a larger channel. The price will hit the bands less often, while a smaller multiplier means the bands will be closer together, and the price will reach or exceed the bands more often. Traders can set up their Keltner channels in different ways with potential uses in mind. The Keltner channel middle line is an exponential moving average, typically over 20 periods. The upper band is typically set at EMA plus 2 ATR, and the lower band is typically set at EMA 2 ATR, where EMA refers to exponential moving average, typically over 20 periods, and ATR refers to average true range, typically over 10 or 20 periods. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. Keltner channels are volatility-based bands that are placed on either side of an asset's price and can aid in determining the direction of a trend. 2. The exponential moving average, EMA, of a Keltner channel is typically 20 periods, although this can be adjusted if desired. 3. The upper and lower bands are typically set 2 times the average true range, ATR, above and below the EMA, although the multiplier can also be adjusted based on personal preference. 4. Price reaching the upper Keltner channel band is bullish, while reaching the lower band is bearish. 5. The angle of the Keltner channel also aids in identifying the trend direction. The price may also oscillate between the upper and lower Keltner channel bands, which can be interpreted as resistance and support levels. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.